Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting day of learning English. Today we are going to start with Unit 7 in Roman times. So we're going to be learning some new vocabulary and things about the Romans, which is super cool. And some new grammar as well, of course. But the first thing we are going to do today is learn the new vocabulary. So open your eyes, open your ears, and let's get started. Some of these words, as always, I think that you guys know already. Some of them are new, of course, but a lot of them I think that you will already know. So, number 1, wall. Wall. We all know what a wall is, right? Where do we see walls? We see walls everywhere. In our house, on the street, right? So, wall. Number 2, helmet. Helmet. A helmet we use to protect our heads from getting hurt, right? This is a very old helmet that maybe was used by the Romans to protect them during a battle. But we have helmets too, right? That we use for riding our bikes and skating, etc. Number 3, shield. Shield. A shield was also used in battle for protecting the body. Shield. Number 4, jewelry. Jewelry. This is a very difficult word to pronounce, right? Jewelry. Jewelry. Good. Jewelry can be many different things. So, this necklace, these earrings, this ring, all of these things together are jewelry. Okay? And then we have the individual types of jewelry. So number 5, ring. Ring. Number 6, necklace. Necklace. A necklace, of course, we wear around our necks. And a ring we wear on our fingers. Number 7, coins. Coins. I think we know this word already. Coins are monedas. Okay? Coins. Number 8, jug. Jug. Good. I don't want to hear anyone saying jug. No. Jug. Jug. Number 9, mosaic. Mosaic. Very good. A mosaic, as you can see here, is a very beautiful type of art that sometimes we see on the wall or on the floor, right? If you go to, let's see, La Alhambra For example, in Granada, there are many, many walls and floors and ceilings that are mosaics. I'm sure you have seen a mosaic before. Number 10, stone. Stone. Number 11, iron. Iron. Be careful with the pronunciation of this word. Iron. Good. And 12, clay. Clay. I think all of these things we have seen before, right? Maybe some of you have clay in your house, and you can make things with the clay, right? Okay, very good. Now, I want to classify the vocabulary, okay? Classify means to put things in groups. So, we're going to classify the vocabulary into 3 groups. Things you wear. Here's the translation here. Materials. And things I've got at home. So, for this part, if you don't remember the words, I want you to look in your pupil's book and let's classify these together, okay? So the first group, things you wear. Number 1, a helmet. So I wear a helmet on my head. You wear a helmet on your head. Jewelry. So I wear jewelry. I love to wear jewelry. The third, what else can you think of that we wear? A ring. I wear rings on my fingers. You guys know this. I love rings. And number 4, necklace. I can wear a necklace. You can wear a necklace. We wear necklaces. Very good. These are all things that we wear. And a shield. This is the last one. Shield. Remember before I said you wear a shield to protect your body. Okay, next. Materials. Materials. Do you guys remember which ones were materials? Stone. Good. Stone is a material. Iron and clay. These are all materials. Very good. Then, lastly, things I've got at home. Walls. Good. Wall. So our houses are made of many, many, many walls, right? Mosaic. Maybe not everyone has a mosaic in their house, but maybe you do. Coins. You have coins. Your parents have coins, right? And a jug. Jug. A jug? What do you think we use this for? We use jugs to carry liquid like water or juice, maybe.
Good job, my friends.
That's all for today, and we will continue very soon. Bye-bye.